Thanks, Joshua. Now, Jeff Chen of Radicle Science. This is a health tech company that offers an accelerated route to validate wellness products. Please welcome Jeff.
So for most of you in the audience, it's likely that you or someone you know has taken a prescription drug for a common issue with pain or sleep or anxiety. So imagine a future where instead of going to your doctor for these things, you head to the grocery store. And there's an aisle that says natural medicines. And in this future, there's proof on the right product at the right dose for the right person with the right condition. So you can confidently pick up a product proven for someone like you and check out at the register. There's no prescription needed. And it's affordable, so you don't even need insurance. But what's preventing this future is that missing proof on natural products. And it's because clinical trials are too slow and too expensive, and they primarily serve pharma. You see, for millennia, humans relied on plants as medicine. And it was only a century ago that scientists created synthetic drugs. For the first time ever, medicine could be patented and highly profitable. But to prove the safety and effectiveness of these never-before-seen compounds, slow, expensive trials were invented. Ironically, nearly half of all FDA-approved drugs were first discovered in plants, but pharma created a synthetic version and only funded trials into what they could own. Natural compounds can't be patented, and they can't afford these trials. And that's why most of these natural product brands haven't been able to prove they're better than placebo until now. Radicle Science is a B Corp that has productized clinical proof generation into a standardized, scalable, automated offering for non-pharmaceutical products, things like dietary supplements. We've created a new category, and we call it proof as a service. And we do it via an AI-driven, crowdsourced, virtual clinical trial approach that can generate evidence an order of magnitude cheaper and faster. Our volunteers get free product in the mail, or they get placebo. And they provide data via their smartphones or wearables and mail us back small samples of blood or saliva. Standardization allows us to aggregate data across our trials and apply machine learning so we can predict which products are most likely to work for which individuals. And since we go direct to consumer, anyone can join from the comfort of their own home, including those historically excluded from trials, like women, minorities, and rural populations. So we're finally generating medical evidence that's relevant to all of us. So what happens when proof is easy? You get medicines that are natural, personalized, proven, and democratized. With proof as a service, you get medicines that are affordable and accessible for all future generations. And that's because, as it turns out, no one can patent nature. Thank you.